Welcome to our comprehensive guide on pricing your freelancing services correctly. I'm here to help you navigate one of the most critical aspects of your business. Pricing can be a daunting and often overwhelming task for many freelancers, especially when you're just starting out. But with the right strategies and mindset, you can set rates that truly reflect your professional skills and the unique value you offer. Let's dive deep into the essentials to ensure you're getting paid what you deserve. First, let's consider the fundamentals of beginner pricing. If you're just starting your journey, the first step is to research current industry standards. This helps you establish a rate that is competitive enough to attract clients, yet fair to your level of expertise. Next, let's weigh the pros and cons of hourly versus project-based pricing. Hourly pricing is straightforward and easy to track, making it a safe choice for unpredictable tasks. On the other hand, project-based pricing can offer more flexibility and opens the door to potentially higher earnings as you become more efficient. Then there's the more advanced approach, value-based pricing. This method shifts the focus away from hours worked and onto the tangible value and ROI you provide to your clients. It's about the impact your work has on their business success, rather than just the time spent on the task. As you grow, you'll need to know how to increase your rates effectively. A great way to start is by gradually raising your rates for every new client you take on. Always communicate your value clearly and back it up with results to justify these increases to your existing partners. Mastering client negotiation is another key pillar of a successful freelance career. You must prepare to discuss your rates confidently, knowing exactly why you charge what you do. Be open to feedback, but stay firm on the value you provide. It's a professional conversation, not a personal one. It's also crucial to avoid common underpricing mistakes that many freelancers fall into. Undervaluing your own skills is a recipe for burnout and can negatively affect the entire market. Avoid competing solely on price. When you're the cheapest option, you often attract the most difficult clients. Lastly, let's consider the power of premium positioning. By positioning yourself as a high-value expert in a specific niche, you naturally attract high-end clients. These are the clients who are willing to pay a premium for top-tier quality and a seamless professional experience. Remember, at the end of the day, pricing is not just about the numbers on an invoice. It's a reflection of the dedication, expertise, and transformative value you bring to every client relationship. Thank you so much for watching this guide. We hope it empowers you to take control of your freelance business. Good luck with your freelancing journey, and I'll see you in the next one.